Are you looking for some seed capital for your great idea? Early Shares can help. Do you have a few $100s to invest in an exciting new startup company? With Early Shares, you can. Early Shares is a revolutionary new way to raise money for your business by allowing hundreds or even thousands of individuals to invest a small amount of money into new businesses, fueling new ideas. Early Shares is a platform that gives entrepreneurs the ability to spread the word about their concept or idea through social media and the internet, while investors can search and find pre-screened companies and ideas they would like to invest in. As interest grows among investors, the idea gets followers and investments, helping entrepreneurs reach their funding goal. Once the funding goal is reached, the entrepreneur can launch their business, and shares of the business are issued to the crowd of investors. Some entrepreneurs may also reward investors with samples, perks, or even pre-sell a product as part of their funding pitch. These are called investor rewards. EarlyShares.com, a new way to invest. Register now to raise money or invest in new business. www.earlyshares.com